Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to configure the set configuration task in vDesigner 2.0. This task is used to dynamically update the UI appearance based on the user's selection between two KYC identity options, Aadhaar or Voter ID. This ensures users visually recognize which option is selected by altering the UI components like border color and radius of the selected cards. First, design the page layout with two cards representing Aadhaar and Voter ID. Each card represents a proof of identity option that users can click on. Second, configure Aadhaar selection. Select the Aadhaar card element, go to the Events tab and under on-click press on plus icon to create a task. Give the task name Set Config Aadhaar and click on Create. Search for the set configuration task and drag it to the execution section. Under Select Element, choose the Aadhaar card element. Here, set the border radius to 2 pixels and set the border color as per requirement. Now, click Apply and then select. Add another set configuration task to reset the voter ID card. Set border radius to 8 pixels and set border color to numbers. Now click Apply, select, then save. Third, configure voter ID selection. Repeat similar steps for voter ID selection. Select the voter ID card and go to Events tab and under on-click press on plus icon. Create the new task group as Set Config Voter ID TG. Drag and drop a set configuration task and select a voter ID card element. Here, set the border radius to 2 pixels and set the border color as per requirement. Now, click Apply and then select. Add another set configuration task to reset the Aadhaar card. Set border radius to 8 pixels and set border color. Now click Apply, select, then save. Go to Deploy section and click on the icon to deploy all the changes. Go to Downloads and click on icon to launch your application. After the app launch, click on Aadhaar. You'll see the border color and radius changes of the card. Now, click on Voter ID. Now the styles change for the Voter ID card, while Aadhaar reverts. Thanks for watching and happy learning.